Nestled on a peaceful pond lot in a cul-de-sac, this stunning home in the highly sought-after Northwest Allen School District offers the perfect blend of luxury and functionality. Lancia's Ashley 3-floor plan spans 2,543 square feet, featuring 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, an office, and a spacious 3-car garage. The exterior boasts charming craftsman details, including stone accents, stained brackets, and board and batten siding. Step inside to 8-foot ceilings on the first floor, with wrought iron balusters adorning the staircase. The open concept, great room, kitchen, nook, half bath, and laundry feature durable vinyl plank flooring. The kitchen is a chef's delight, offering a large island, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, a decorative hood, soft close-painted cabinets extending to the ceiling, a ceramic backsplash, and a gas stove. A microwave is conveniently placed under the island, and the adjacent laundry room includes a cubby locker bench off the garage for added organisation. The owner's suite is a true retreat, with a vaulted ceiling, paddle fan, and a luxurious bathroom. It includes a 5-foot ceramic shower with a bench, dual vanity with quartz countertops, and a spacious walk-in closet with dual rods and a shelf one-wall unit. Upstairs, the loft and 3 additional spacious bedrooms offer flexibility, with 2 of the bedrooms featuring walk-in closets. The main bath upstairs is designed for convenience with a pocket door separating the dual vanity area. Enjoy outdoor living on the 20 by 14 foot deck overlooking the serene pond. The finished garage adds a touch of convenience to this move-in ready home. Schedule your showing today and experience the beauty of this thoughtfully designed property.